Guys, check natin yung kwan guys, switch panel guys, kasi nagluloko sa switch panel. Ito na yung kwan ng problema, sakit niya, kaya lagyan ng contact cleaner, linisin. Sa aircon walang power, kaya linis lang kailangan. Thank you for watching guys, subscribe guys, share and like.